Hey y'all, this is Jim with the Bergerac channel, and I have no idea what I'm doing here. I just came back from Portugal, which I'll have a video out for that next week. But today I'm going to show you what's behind the curtain. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is have a template. We can actually make a carcass that's similar to this and be able to make the doors and everything inside it. Y'all go back to what you're doing. I gotta get my lazy butt into gear and actually so I can pay some bills. And the guy on the other end of the camera. See you later.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice. Cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright.
Here's the finished product. Alright, so I just proved that you don't have to have hair to make something cool. Hope you liked this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and spend some more time with us. I'll get you all later.